Welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year. Here is a video from Cinco de Mayo 2023 in the area of Del Paso Heights in Sacramento, California. Police received a 911 call that a suspect at the Mama Marks Park pointed a firearm at the caller and that there was a group of approximately 10 individuals with at least 3 of them armed. According to the police report, this park is well known as a Del Paso Heights Blood hangout, and there have been several shootings there that include a drive-by shooting in 2020 that resulted in the murder of an 8-year-old girl. As police move in and detain the group, one suspect decides to run.
Police, stop. We will chase you. Do not run.
3 running down. Copy. 3 running southbound.
Hey, stop! 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 You guys need to stop! Take your hand out of your sweatshirt pocket. 23 and flipper suit running southbound through the park, pale black, gray sweatshirt, black long pants, and got a yellow do-rag on.
Copy. Running southbound through the park.
Please stop! Alright, 23's crossing the street, continuing southbound.
Copy. Crossing the street, continuing southbound.
I'm not sure what street we're on. Hey, what street is this?
Copy.
What street is this?
Building.
What is it?
Building. I don't know where the fuck he
Copy.
went.
3521.
Where did he go?
I don't know shit. I looked up and this motherfucker ran. I don't even know the
Did he go in the house or did he go to the side yard?
I don't know. I swear to God, I don't know.
Whether he's hopping fences westbound.
Copy.
Did you see him?
Jerry's probably heading south now. Copy. Running southbound.
Hey, did he go out to Nogales? Where'd that guy go? Hey, did you see a guy run this way? No. Heel! Fox! Get that guy! Get that club, I got him running! Dogs on him! Branch and south! Get on the ground! On the ground! Do not move!
Hey, wrong person.
Stay.
Okay.
Stay.
Okay, wrong person. Okay. Hey, you get thrown up.
I'll get him. Shit! Can I request 5.3 for a dog bite? He's being detained.
I can't breathe. Ain't no drugs on me, nothing. Yeah, I get everything out. Ain't nothing. Okay. It ain't shit on me, man.
We got fire department coming for your leg, okay?
God damn. Ow, that's just nice. Ow, what the fuck?
Just to be clear, you didn't ditch a gun?
Hell no, I ain't got no gun. I ran because I had a work project.
You ran because you had the warrant.
Yeah, man. God damn, I ain't had nothing.
Some of you guys got shears on you?
Yeah.
Hey, here. I ain't shit. I just had a work project.
Don't move.
And look, I already had my shit wrist. I had my leg already up, boss. My leg already up. My leg was already up. My Achilles tendon.
Stop. Hey, what was wrong with it?
Oh no! Look on the back. My Achilles tendon is already up.
Did you cut it or did you?
No,
Okay.
it was already up. That's why I had to
Can you lift your leg for me? Lift your leg for me.
No, I can't, sir.
All right.
No,
You're gonna be all right. You're not bleeding too bad. You're gonna be okay.
So I'm going to jail for my warrant and see what else I do.
You're going to jail for your warrant and resisting arrest. Yeah.
So what is that? Is that another case?
Yes, it will be.
So what is that? Is it a felony? Is it a felony?
That came out of his pocket. You guys want to
I ain't got nothing but fucking allergy medicine and shit. I ain't got shit.
So,
do you remember how far down?
come over a fence on May.
This shit
And they
hurt,
said
baby.
westbound, so same
Hey,
direction.
sir.
He popped out, not
Oh,
mid-block,
my
but
God, I ain't got
close to the
shit.
north side of the block. I flipped around, that's when I put it out. So we're going to want to do
I
a
ain't got
search of those.
shit, man. I ain't have no goods or nothing. That shit. That was the people over there with their domestic violence. Ain't nobody else had nothing to do with none of that shit. Ain't no people over there. It was just people shooting dice.
This still no
I haven't been ran because of my work project.
I'd say this.
Hey, what yards did you run through?
I ain't run to nobody yards.
We heard you hopping.
I saw you come over the fence.
I can't even tell you because I don't, you know what I mean? I was just running, but
But
I ain't have nothing.
how many yards did you run through? 3, 4?
Nah, I don't think so. I think I probably just hit. I just hit this alley.
Okay.
I just hit the alley in like one gate. Shit, I ain't have nothing. I ain't have shit at all.
Who was the last one that saw him hit fences on Belden?
I saw him
I ain't have
on Belden. Heard the fence going south. That's when we cut off. You saw him cut across westbound,
Yes.
which is the same direction of travel. And then you went out this way, so we went to cut off.
Okay.
And then that's when
Let's
he was running right here with the dog.
go to where you saw him hit the fences mid-block on Belden, and we're going to do basically article search of both sides on May and Belden northbound, because he obviously went northbound. I saw him pop up almost at the end of the block, so that's where we'll start trying to find whatever you ditched. If you could get just you, one other officer to do that.
Yeah, I just need y'all to pull up on me to get some money on my books, man. Hey, sir. Can y'all do that for me? That's all, man.
Alrighty.
I saw.
Did you leave some clothes you want?
I ain't got nothing, no clothes, man.
Mikey, you just want to stay with him, and then the rest of us,
That shit
go to
probably
that
at the
Belden
park,
address.
man.
We're going to do an article of that address, and then we're going to push it towards either side of Belden.
Yeah, so just
Hey,
from where you saw him on Belden, work Belden and May northbound, because he came out almost to the north side of the block.
Did
you have pretty good eyes on him the entire time?
A little bit, man. I know I gotta see.
I lost sight of that guy. I just heard a noise. So I heard just could have continued westbound.
Hey, sir, is my phone on me? Is my phone on me?
I don't know.
Oh, shit.
Oh, perfect.
You ladies give me a ride in my car.
Oh,
Hey, sir.
I took our noise. Oh, that's
Hey, sir. Is there any way y'all can...
If you
I
can
just
help,
need y'all to go get some money for me for my books.
you can help
And like,
Weltz.
if y'all can have him hit my wife on Facebook until I'm going to jail.
Yeah, you want to grab your card?
Yep.
Please.
Yeah.
Hey,
Zip a
feeling.
sweatshirt.
Okay.
Yellow do right.
Feeling.
Same height though, same physical.
He was the one wearing the gray. He was
Hey,
the one
Phil.
wearing the gray sweater. So
I didn't went
He
to
was
jail
under
while
that.
you
Keep an
before,
eye out
man.
for
You know I ain't with no bullshit. I don't have no statement, sir. Oh, shit, yeah. I understand, sir. I understand, man. Sir, I ain't tripping, sir. Yes, sir. Hey. Sir, I know the routine, man. Yeah. Hey, feeling. You know I'm on the run.
dude.
No, for real, remember?
Yeah.
I didn't do the work project shit.
All right.
Remember my cousin? They tried to say I had a gun on the hill.
Yeah.
He was my last arresting officer.
Yeah, I remember.
This one I'm on the run for, man.
It's all good.
You know I ain't with no bullshit.
Hey, nobody got hurt.
You know I ain't with no bullshit. I ain't got no guns, no dope. I ran because my dumb ass got work project. I'm broken.
You did your gray sweater though. You had a gray sweater on.
Yeah, I ain't had shit.
Yeah, but I know, but you had a gray sweater on.
Yeah. I ain't had shit, feeling. I ain't got no dope, no
Did you hear me
gun.
telling you to stop?
Did you hear me say, "Please, canine, you're gonna get bit"?
Feeling.
Did you hear me say it?
No, you arrested me last time, right?
I know. It's been a while.
I kept it real with you, right?
Yeah.
I didn't want to go to jail right now, but I'm fucked. I need to probably go sit down and lay down and get my mind right. Been out here homeless since I got out of the whole program, bro. All I ask is y'all to go see and tell them to give y'all some money for my books, and I'll go to jail and get this taken care of. I ain't trying to start nothing. I ain't trying to make y'all job heavier. I'm tired. I've been on dope. I want to go to jail.
According to the police report, the suspect was arrested and taken to the hospital, where he needed 8 sutures for the canine bite. Officers searched the alley he ran down and found his cell phone and sweatshirt, but did not find a weapon. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you are interested in this content, please like and subscribe.